Yesterday political firework in Bihar has not raised the moral quotient of politics in Bihar, but also raised an important questions on the people that who voted such politicians to the power. And it feels like it is a moral punishment for the people because they voted these politicians with huge trust. Hello friends, welcome to the InNews series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about flow test in Bihar. So moving towards the points of discussion part, and this session is important for your GS2 perspective. Moving to the points of discussion. First of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we'll have a brief intro about the flow test, and then we are going to discuss the process of the flow test. After that, we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving to the news part. So, yesterday we have seen that there is a floor test in Bihar Vidhan Sabha, in which what had happened that NDA alliance, which is led by the BJP and JDU belongs to the Nitish Kumar political party. So, they both had formed the government and Nitish Kumar passed the floor test, and the opposition team chose to walk out, they didn't vote. So, this was the score that 129 votes were in the favor of the NDA alliance and opposition chose to walk out, so it is 0. So it is 129 versus 0. So moving to the what seats each party consists in Bihar. So coming to the JDU, which is Janata Dal United, consists 45 seats. Then we have this BJP, which is Bharatiya Janata Party, has 78 seats. Then we have RJD, who has 79 seats, and RJD is the largest political party in the Bihar. Despite having the largest political party in Bihar, the RJD could not make and form the government because RJD has not supported by any of these alliances. So that's why this BJP and JDU has made the government. So this is the political situation of Bihar and which party consists how much seats. So total seats is 243 seats, among which you needed 122 seats for the majority and the alliance got 129 votes. It means that clearly Nitish Kumar passed the floor test. So this is the news we are going to discuss in today's session. So I have given you a background about the floor test. Moving to the next slide, which is what is floor test. So in lay person's language, it is called as a trust of vote. So in a simple language, we need to understand that what is a floor test. Suppose that if you are a CM and on a certain point of time, the speaker and the governor and the whole member thinks that your party is losing the majority, then you have to prove your majority in the party through floor test, and that particular test is called as a floor test, in which the MLAs and other MPs, and it is applicable for the both the State Legislative Assembly also and for the Parliament also, because the process is same. So in which the CM or a PM has to prove their majority, that MLAs are with them and also the MPs are with the PM. So in this process, it is called as a floor test. So this is a brief definition of floor test. So what we have seen that on 27th of January, Nitish Kumar had announced that he is forging the alliance because the alliance didn't work, the Mahagathbandhan alliance didn't work with them, and he tried to create a suitable situation to rule the Bihar, but the situation was not true for them, and that's why he decided that his party will make alliance with the another party, which is the BJP, and from here the story of floor test started. So here the speaker had called Nitish Kumar to prove that there is a floor test. And why speaker has called, when the Vidhan Sabha or state legislative or any parliament is in the session, it is the duty of the speaker that they will call for the floor test. And when the Vidhan Sabha or Lok Sabha is not in the session, then at that time the governor comes in the power, or so the governor's authority is that they will call for the floor test. So the sole authority and the when it comes to the prima facie view, so it is the duty of the speaker to conduct the floor test. So this is the brief definition of the floor test, and we had also seen not just in Bihar, we had recently seen in the Maharashtra also, Madhya Pradesh also, and we had a famous case, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and ORS versus Speaker. In that case, Supreme Court has opined that it is a prima facie view that Speaker has duty to conduct floor test in the State Legislative Assembly. So this is a brief definition of the floor test. Moving to the next one, which is what happens in the floor test. So I already told you that when there is a suspect that your party is losing the majority, at that time you will be called for the floor test, and you have to prove your majority through votes. And votes can be dependent by various means. You can also vote through the voice vote. There can also be the ballot paper. There can also be the electronic system. And voice vote, you can register your vote. Ballot system is also there, and through electronic system there will be the two tables. One table will show that how many votes belongs to the particular political party or particular alliance. So this is the process of the floor test we have. And the party which proved their majority, the candidate of that party will be elected as the CM. So this is the process. And we have another term which is called as a composite floor test. So what happens in composite floor test? When different political parties or more than one political party try to prove their majority, in such situation the governor calls all of them and tells people that okay, you should prove your majority. So this is called as a composite floor test, when more than one political party tries to claim that they have this majority. So this is called as the composite floor test. And here also we have a different method. First method is the voice vote, and second is the divisional method. And what happened in division vote, that you can vote through the electronic medium, you can also vote through the slip, you can also vote through the ballot paper. So this is the brief process we have for the floor test, which had conducted in the Bihar yesterday, and CM has become the Nitish Kumar. So this is the conclusion of the floor test we have. Moving to the question round. Article 163 of the Indian Constitution deals with, and your first statement is appointment of Chief Minister by Governor. The second statement is appointment of Advocate General by Governor. The third is special address by the Governor. Fourth is Council of Ministers headed by Chief Minister to aid and advise Governor except in discretion. So I hope you can answer it easily in the comment section. And you have to also think about this for your mains perspective, that sudden change in the politics, changing the coalition in the politics, how it can impact to the people, especially the common people who votes a particular political party with the vision, because at that time election manifesto was different, their party manifesto is different, and with on the basis of that manifesto people vote that particular person or particular party to the power. But what happens that after 2 or 3 years the particular political party changes their coalition and they make alliance with another party, and there is impact with all these alliances, because earlier when you are allying with another party you have to also take care of their mandate, but now you are allying with another party, you have to also take care of their mandate, and you have to also change their cabinets also. The new cabinets will join, they will try to understand the political scenario, economic scenario, so that takes time. And in 5 years if you are changing the government for 3 times, so this is a huge concern for the common people, because there is a lack of trust, and it also lose the confidence of the people in the electoral politics. So in that scenario you have to think for your mains perspective. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.